Hi, welcome to another quick 3D modeling tutorial. Today you will be making a simple torch lamp. Let's get started. First, let's clear everything in the scene. We're going to start with the base. Let me move the tools. Right, let's duplicate this. That looks good. Let's make a pole. What am I doing? Let me restart that. There we go. Okay. And let's make 3 more like the real ones. 1, 2, and 3. I think they're a little bit too high. Can I do this? That looks like better proportions. Now let's make a little connector. I'm going to duplicate this again. Make it smaller. Slightly bigger. I'm going to move it at the joint. This. I'm going to duplicate this one. Nice. And now let's finish with the top. Let's put in a cone. Oops. Move it there. We're going to rotate it completely upside down. Oop. Undo that. There we go. And if you want any precise rotation, when you move it, you see the number on the right. So let's just put 180. Perfect. I'm going to squash that a little bit. Make it a little bit bigger. Sounds good. Oop, it's not connected. My bad. There we go. This is a little bit too small though. Good. And now let's make a switch. Let's look at this. Let's rotate that 90 degrees. There we have it. Let's just realign the whole view. And we are done. Now save your file. And that's it. You are ready for the next tutorial. If you have any questions or feedback, please leave a comment. And as always, take care, and I'll see you in the next one.